knew he was finna die. Hey, on bro, he went down, put them shots on your ass, I'm telling you. Hey, fuck going on. Hey, he knew he was finna die. I ran down, sent his soul to the sky. Red beam, mama aiming at his eye. Ain't no way he gon' survive it, bro. Bitch, he knew he was finna die. I ran down, sent his soul to the sky. Red beam, mama aiming at his eye. Ain't no way he gon' survive. Soon as the nigga see my face, that's when the nigga had to die. Drop a bag on your ass, or I can't do it myself. Niggas reaching out their hand, but I never ask for help. I'm a driller, I done drill, I done slid by myself. You ain't no killer, you just rapping, you just capping for your help. Ran down on the op, but he ain't get to scream for help. Fuck that nigga, cause he dead, he was lacking by himself. Bitch, I'm bit 5 times if you catch me by myself. Try your luck, but I ain't sweet, I keep a curl on my hip. Spin the block and burn the wood, I want your head, not your hip. Any nigga play with twin, found dead, extra clip. Hold a chopper like I love it, cause this bitch got extra kick. On my knees trying to send a nigga to the reverend. If he got a bag on his head, you know I'm catching it. Put them dogs on your ass like my name Michael Vick. Niggas realize you're dying by the motherfucking dick. When I'm in traffic, keep my gun in my hand, not on my hip. I'ma up it off the rip. Drop the third out the clip when I'm supposed to tell my daughter if I ever slip. Like if I ever leave the house without my motherfucking blick. Everybody made mistake, but I ain't trying to die quick. I just left the gun store and I just got another stick. Shell catch on the truck, get the drop, pull up and brick. If that nigga was a threat, then he would've